Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're reviewing the Ryobi One Plus Cordless 33cm Lawnmower. On the surface, it seems to have it all: a 33cm cutting width, collapsible grass box, and a design that allows it to cut right up to the edge. But there's one major drawback that we need to discuss. The Ryobi One Plus Cordless 33cm Lawnmower is part of the One Plus system, which means its batteries can be used in all other One Plus tools, making it versatile and convenient for those who already own Ryobi products. In terms of design, it's an attractive machine with the Ryobi color scheme of green and black. The 33cm cutting width is suitable for suburban lawns, and the built-in handle makes it easy to carry. The grass collection box is collapsible for convenient storage. However, the biggest issue with this lawnmower is its battery life. Ryobi claims it can cut a 200 square meters lawn on a single charge with a bundled 4Ah battery. But in our testing, it only managed half of that. For larger lawns, you'd need to invest in larger batteries, which means additional expense. Despite the battery life issue, the Ryobi One Plus Cordless 33cm Lawnmower performs well in cutting grass. It leaves the lawn neatly trimmed and picks up the cuttings effectively. With 5 height options and the ability to cut closely to the edges, it offers a quality cut. If you already own Ryobi One Plus tools and have existing batteries, this lawnmower might still be a good buy for smaller lawns. However, if you don't have existing Ryobi products, there might be better options out there like the Stihl RMA 235 or other models from our guide to the best cordless lawnmowers. In conclusion, the Ryobi One Plus Cordless 33cm Lawnmower has some great features, but the short battery life holds it back from being a top recommendation. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and tech guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.